There, so guys, I think I already fixed my car. So guys, let's go back for a redrive. And since I already go to my nice work, I can go drive freely. Look where I can go. So guys, don't care about this and continue driving. Look at your car and never look everywhere else. Just the car. I said just the car. Now my new car is broken again. Stop broken car. You're serious. So let's drive this mountain. I think this is where the car drives. Whoa. Let's drive this way and drive this way. I can see the damn tire. Just new brand. Wow, this is so hard driving in this thing. Okay, let's see. It said I'm safe. I'm safe? No, I'm not. No. Ow. Why am I driving? Whoa! Ow. Looks like I need a mechanic shop again. Are you serious? Let's go now. That's not it. Where's the... Ooh, there it is. Look at my air cons. They're broken. Excuse me, car. I need a mechanic shop. Oops. Let's see. So guys, I'm back in action. Why there's still a little damage? Maybe the mechanic must be lazy. I'll just have you. Now let's go. I think I should buy a new car. It's yellow and doesn't have anything. Would I? I think I should switch cars there. It's like my RPM doesn't work. Let's go this time. That's slowly. Imagine when you saw a monkey dancing and distracts you and you fall from an edge. No, this would be funny if you saw a monkey dancing. No! Okay, look. It's like it's almost become true. Don't say that. It's like I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna die here, I say. Imagine when did you just fall down on the edge without the railings. I think this is where I fall last time. This car is useless. Okay, it's getting some more damage and damages. Don't care about it. Oh, now that's extreme damage. I think I can look that way. I'll turn on the radio. Oh no! I can't see. My car is almost broken again. Don't mention it. Okay, looks like I arrived back here. I shouldn't have to go to that mountain. Shouldn't have to go to that mountain. Let's speed up. Nitrogen on. Woo! Whoa! Oh no! Whoa. Okay, looks like my car broke again. Ouch. Let me look at my car. Oh no! How many times is my car becoming like this? Okay guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe. Bye.